class 11 students. This is the continuation lesson of associated angles. I'll solve few sums from here. This concept of the chapter it is explained before in the first video. If you are new, you are seeing this video at first, you can see the first video, then you can see this one, so that you can understand properly. I am solving sum number 6 part 2. This is the sum. M square sin pi by 2. Value of pi is 180. So if you put 180 by 2, it is 90. 3 into pi by 2, that is 90. And pi by 2, that is 90. So sin 90 value is 1. And 3 into 90 plus 0. This can be written as 3 into 90 plus 0. Now 90 odd multiple will be cos. Theta means 0. And this is which quadrant? 3 into 90 plus theta. That means 1, 2, 3 into 90 plus theta. That means fourth quadrant. All sin, tan, cos positive. But our sum sin. That is why one minus sign will come. Cosec 90 value is 1. So it is coming m square plus n square plus 2mn. The formula is m plus n whole square. This is left hand side and it is told that prove that this is equal to m plus n whole square. So we got right hand side and it is proved. This sum 4 part 2, see, it can be written as 3 into 90 minus 38. This is 5 into 90 minus 38. This is 4 into 90 minus 34. This is only 34. So this one, see, odd multiples, so sign will be cos. See the quadrant, which quadrant it is falling? 3 into 90 minus theta, 1, 2, 3. So it is third quadrant. All sign tan positive, our sum is sin, so minus sign. Sin odd multiple will be cos. See the sign 5 into 90 plus theta, it is coming in the 5 into 90 minus theta, first quadrant, all positive, that is why plus. Sin for that is even multiple means it will be sin only. Which quadrant? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus theta, that is fourth quadrant, all sin, tan, cos. Our sum is sin, so minus sign. And this one here. Now this cut, this cut, answer is 0. So right hand side has come. This one pi by 12, pi by 16. 3 pi by 12, pi by 16, 5 pi by 12, 7 pi by 16. Now see, this is 3 pi by 12. So it is there, it is kept. Then pi by 16 can be written as, here pi by 16. Now 5 pi by 12 we can write pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So it is coming 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 12, this one here. And this one can be written as pi by 2 minus, you see here, 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi by 16. So this one 1 into 90, pi means 180, so it is 90. 1 into 90 minus theta, so tan will be cot. This is cot pi by 12. And here also tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta. Now see, cot pi by 12 can be written as 1 by tan pi by 12. So this cut. Tan pi by 16, cot pi by, this is 16. It is mistake here. So cot pi by 16 means this is pi. Pi by 16 means 1 by tan pi by 16. This also cut. So answer is 1. This sum also the same way, it is broken down 2 into 90 minus theta, 3 into 90 minus 20. This is 3 into 90 plus 20. And this is 4 into 90 plus 40. So this is coming even multiple, so sin will be sin. Odd multiple, cos will be sin. And which quadrant? 3 into 90 minus theta. So 1, 2, 3 into 90 minus theta means here it is coming all sin tan positive. tan positive, so cos it will be minus. Again cos will be sin because odd multiple, sin will be sin because even multiple. Now you see this is plus and this is minus, so plus minus cut, answer is 0. This one also value of pi you put and proceed the sum. This is already done the sum. This sum also same way. I am showing so that you can solve and compare. This one also, you see this one as it is, this one as it is. This can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 8, because 4 pi plus pi, that is 5 pi. Here 4 pi plus 3 pi, that is 7 pi. Now 1 into 90 plus theta, pi by 2 means 90, 1 into 90 plus theta. So cos will be sin here, here also cos will be sin. I am not seeing sin because here if it comes negative, square is there, so it will be positive. Square is there, so if minus comes, then also it will be positive. Now see sin cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1. Again cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, that is right hand side. So this sum also you see, I have broken down pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So 6 minus pi, 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi. Here 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi. So since it is 1 into 90, here also 1 into 90, odd multiple tan will be cot. Here also odd multiple tan will be cot. Now tan means 1 by cot, tan means 1 by cot. So this and this cut, this and this cut, only 1 left. That's all for this video.